We're just going through a quick demonstration of home care provider screens. Typically, you'll see options such as observation, attendance, and lesson plans. And we're just going to start with attendance. Here you see all the children in your care, and if you click on their status, you will see the option to choose the time that they arrived in care. Just click the time field and use the time dial to log the time they came in. You would have the option to select who dropped them off as well. Just click save and you'll see the status changes on the following screen, showing the time they're in and who dropped them off. You can also do bulk entries by selecting multiple children and clicking the bulk attendance button here. If we click the pie icon in the top left corner, it will allow us to go back to the home screen. If we click the observation button, we're brought to the screen where you can document observations for each child. You can see each child is listed with a history and button beside their name. If we want to do bulk observations, we can just select multiple children and click the Add Bulk button, and that will allow us to choose from any of the customized observation cards that would be in the system. You can do things such as development logs, send pictures or videos to parents, but we'll just do a development log that is often configured for you. This conservation card will allow you to select a development domain, add a photo, and take notes about the development. You'll see that you also have the option to email this observation to the parent or keep it for just the staff. So we will just submit this here, and you'll see it says update in progress. So we'll just wait a moment for it to submit, and then we will create another observation for another child. In this case, we're doing it for one child as opposed to multiple. The process is the same as previously shown, where you would select an observation card and fill in any details. So here I'll select a mood and what the child ate for the day. Document whether they slept or not, and add some random notes just for demo purposes. You can also add multiple observation cards for a child, so I will add another here for video and pictures, just to demo how this works. So I'll just turn off the email to parents feature, so you can see we have this toggles here, and you can make this for staff only or email parents. If you say show staff only, it will automatically turn off the email to parents toggle. Let's add a picture and video, a sample note, and submit. Then in the child's history section, you'll see the pictures, videos, and other observations listed by date. Providers generally also have access to printing a class report of all the children that you have in your care and any lesson plans that the agency have provided. You also have the ability to see the medical and allergy details for other children in your care. Those are the major highlights, and thanks for watching.